Welcome back to my channel. I am PANCHAL and today we'll talk about Lamborghini Huracan Tecnica.
I'm a top dog on a stat sheet. But I call plays for the athletes.
Lamborghini India launched the new Huracan Tecnica in the country at Rs 4.4 crore. It sources its engine from the Huracan STO, which is a 640 bhp 5.2 liter naturally aspirated V10 unit. This powertrain transmits power to rear wheels only using a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox. The rear wheel drive Tecnica incorporates rear wheel steering with direct steering ratio and torque vectoring together with a modified performance traction control system (PTCS) and specific suspension setup for Tecnica. There are also 3 drive modes to choose from: Strada, Sports and Corsa. It also gets a new carbon fiber bonnet. It is capable of achieving a claimed 0 to 100 sprint timing in just 3.2 seconds. The top speed of the supercar stands at 325 km/h. I hope you liked my video. Make sure you subscribe my channel. See you again and thank you.